These are some of the YouTube settings which are very important for your YouTube channel, which will help a lot in increasing your views. And it would be good for you to understand all these settings well. So first of all, let's talk about setting number 1, which is this notify subscribers. If you have a new channel, then it is very important for you to select this option so that YouTube will send your video to your audience. This option will not be selected. Your video will be sent to YouTube by someone else who will not be interested in your content, and due to this setting your video will freeze. So make sure this option will be selected. Now the next setting is your YouTube homepage. If your new channel is your best performing video, then keep it in the center of your homepage so that it becomes the center of attraction, because every new viewer will come to your video. He will watch the same video, and after watching that video, he will definitely subscribe to your channel, and people say that the first impression is the last impression. And for this you have to come to your YouTube studio, and here it is written featured section, so select it and select the popular video so that your best video will be shown to your viewers. Now for the next setting you will have to go to the below setting here, and after going there you will have to go to the channel and go features eligibility, and you will have to enable all these things so that you can put custom thumbnail on your videos, and then you will be able to tell YouTube, I am a genuine person and I am not a spammer, so you must turn on all these things. And with all these things turned on, your video will start getting views. Now for the next setting you will have to go to settings, then you're going to come to channel. In channel you're going to want to actually select your country of residence. Now this might sound like a really small, but this is important, is that when you get monetized this is going to have like some implications on tax and stuff. So if you don't select this correctly, or if you do what some sneaky people do because they want to try and trick people into thinking that but you're not going to make more money because you're going to have all these tax issues and it's just going to be annoying. So just make sure this is set right. Now the next setting is really important. For that, go to the setting and go to the channel tab and here the keywords option. This option is very important for your new channel because this option tells YouTube on which topic your channel is based. So in this option you have to enter keywords related to your channel, but what new YouTubers do is write inside it viral YouTube video, new YouTube video, trending video. But YouTube considers all these things in spam. If you have made any mistake, then definitely correct it and enter keywords related to your channel so that YouTube can rank your channel. If you enjoy this video, then please like it because it gives me motivation to make more videos. Now our next setting is shorts remixing. Allow this setting so that if someone reposts or remixes your video, our channel also benefits from it. So make sure you turn on this option also. And next setting is channel category. Many people do not know which category their video fit in. That's why they select any category and confuses the algorithm as to whom to send their video to. And if you do not know what is the category of your channel, then you can select people and blog. This will be the easiest for your channel. Now this next setting will be very important for your YouTube videos, and that is upload YouTube videos right time. And why is this setting important? Because when our video is uploaded, it will take only 1 hour. If your video gets a boost, there is a better chance of your video going viral. Hence it would be best to upload the video at the right time. And for that you will have to schedule your video. First you have to see from a viewer's point of view what time he will come online, and around that time you have to upload the video so that the right audience will get the right video and your video will get more impressions. And the more impressions, the more video viral. So now whenever you upload your video, upload it in a scheduled manner so that it gets uploaded at the right time. And most of the big YouTubers do the same. Each of their videos is uploaded at the right time. And after this there is a small setting, but it is also very important, and that is it's not for kids. Many people do not select it because they feel that if I select it, my views will reduce or I will get less views. And this is their mistake, which causes problem to the algorithm, and they do not understand where to send your video. So make sure you turn on this setting. Now the next setting is add end screen. You will have to put a screen on each of your videos so that you can send people to your other videos. And let me tell you the hack of an algorithm. YouTube says that as long as you can keep the audience on your channel, I will promote your video. But the question is how to keep the audience interested in your videos. And if you want to know this thing, there will be a video at the end of the video. Watch it, you will understand it once. Even that video is only of 4 minutes. You can watch it for 4 minutes only for your channel. This is all setting which is very important for your new channel and which will help you to bring views on your video. And if you enjoyed the video, then please definitely give a like. I will feel very good if you like my video. So please give me 1 like on this video. And here is the video. If you want to see, then click on it and we will meet in the next video.